And sa pag-stop naman na ito, you can just hold. Ayan. After that, makikita mo yung coins na na-earn mo dito guys, no? So, ganun lang siya. Ka-simple dito. And you can continue, no? Today is pag-uusapan lang natin itong si Silencio. If merong walk to earn, tap to earn, ito is like noise to earn, no? Or talk to earn. If ever man na maingay ka, you can earn, no? So, pag-usapan natin ito guys as per checking din sa kanilang Twitter. Marami ding mga kilalang tao na naka-follow dito. You can just check dito. Pag-usapan natin dito guys yung mga risk and reward as well as yung downside nito, privacy and other details dito guys, no? Pero bago tayo magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So, walk through ko na lang kayo dito guys kung paano magkaroon ng account. So, pwede nyo puntahan yung official link natin. Pwede ito sa Android, pwede sa iOS, gamit yung cellphone. So, once na ma-download nyo yung app, pwede nyo gamitin yung Google, yung email. Ang gagamitin ko lang dito guys is yung email address na related in crypto, no? Ayokong gumamit dito ng personal email ko. And I'll use usernames, no? So, yun. Check ko lang dito, guys. I'll use Google. And I think this is for 18 years old above. You should read yung terms and conditions and privacy policies, no? As mentioned nga dito, by proceeding, you confirm that you are at least 18 years of age and agree. Ayan. And then, let's continue with Google. Ayan. And then, kung ano yung mga naka-sign up mo dito or naka-sign in mo na Google is that titrigger guys, no? Or mariredirect dito. So, let's choose this one. Ayan. And then, let's continue lang. Ayan. And then dito guys, next one is yung code, no? So, yung code you can use, yung code natin, Crypto Fortune, for additional coin, no? Just bonus pag ginamit nyo yung code. Or pwede nyong scan yung QR code na yan. Lalay ko dyan sa screen. If ever man na nabuview nyo ito, gamit yung cellphone or desktop ninyo guys, no? So, yung code na yan and yung QR code, you can use dito yung code na Crypto Fortune. Ayan, for additional 200 coin na bonus, no? After that, you can continue, use code. Ayan, so as you can see, you can get bonus coins, no? So, pagkatapos nyan, you can just continue. Lagay mo lang dito username. Ayan. And then just continue, no? So, pagkatapos nyan, ma-redirect kayo doon sa application. As you can see, account created. Just continue lang. And as mentioned dito, merong almost or over 500k global sensors, no? So, let's continue. Start now. So, dito guys, you can like earn, no? Doon sa mga noise na nakaka-capture ng app. Doon sa mga ingay, no? So, you just need to enable while using the app lang. And dito naman guys, it depends ito guys sa inyo. If you are hesitant for your privacy, don't toggle this one. And it depends ito guys, no, sa inyo. Very subjective ito, every individual. If you don't want to share your location, wag nyo lang itong itoggle, no? So just for the sake na tutorials, I'll just only this time lang ito. Ayan, so ganito na guys yung mangyayari, no, sa pinaka user interface. Ayan, so dito guys, you can add like for example street measurement. Ito yung may mga coins na pwede mong ma-earn. Itong may mga badge na kulay blue na ito guys, no? Venue check-in. Ayan, you can just check this one. Like for example, if maingay yung lugar na yon, you can just earn dito, no? So, ganun lang siya guys na mag-work dito. Dito kay Silencio, you can explore this application and you can start active mode. Ayan, like for example, this one guys. So, dito you have, I think, 30 minutes para makapag-earn dito. And by detecting ng mga sound, no? Like, pag maingay yung area na yon, mas mataas yung pinaka-earnings mo dito na mag-generate, no, within 30 minutes, sorry, 30 minutes, no. So, and sa pag-stop naman na ito, you can just hold. Ayan. After that, makikita mo yung coins na na-earn mo dito, guys, no. So, ganun lang siya. Ka-simple dito and you can continue, no. So, ito yung pinaka-breakdown. I think a few seconds lang you can get nung coins dito, no. So, yun lang guys. Hope you get some insights, ideas dito sa video natin today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.